Hi and welcome back to our English channel. Today, we're going to talk about something important. Why most people learn English the wrong way. Maybe you've studied English for years. You know a lot of words. You understand grammar, but you still can't speak easily. Why? The problem is not you. The problem is how you learn. Let's talk about some common mistakes and how to fix them. Mistake 1. You try to remember everything. Some people think they must remember every word. They try to learn 50 words a day. They feel smart for a moment. But 2 days later, they forget everything. What to do instead? Focus on 5 to 10 useful words per day. Use them in speaking and writing. Make real connections. Review often, not just once. Mistake 2. You study, but you don't live the language. You spend time with grammar books. You do exercises and tests. But outside the class, you never hear or speak English. That's like reading about swimming but never touching water. What to do instead? Live with English. Change your phone to English. Listen to English songs. Watch English cartoons or short videos every day. Create an English world around you. Mistake 3. You fear making mistakes. You want to speak, but you're afraid. What if I sound silly? What if people laugh? So you stay silent. You wait, and your English doesn't grow. What to do instead? Speak, even with mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Nobody speaks perfectly, not even native speakers. Be proud that you are trying. That's how confidence is built. Mistake 4. You compare yourself to others. My friend speaks better than me. She learned faster. He didn't even study much. Stop. Everyone learns differently. Comparison kills motivation. What to do instead? Compare yourself to your past. Are you better than last month? Do you understand more than a year ago? Celebrate small wins. They matter. Real English equals daily English. English is not just a subject in school. It's a skill, like cooking or riding a bike. You can't just read, you must do. You must practice, a little every day. That's how children learn language. Not by rules, but by living it. Final advice. Don't be too hard on yourself. Don't wait for the perfect day to speak. Start now. Start simple. Make English part of your life, not just your homework. Learning English is a journey, not a test. You don't need to be perfect. You need to keep going. You're better than you think. You're already on the right path. Let's move forward, together. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me make more easy English lessons just for you. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going, step by step. Practice a little every day, and you will improve. Believe in yourself. You can do it. See you in the next lesson.